Limon Server support. Having the Limon Server service allows the user to download data located on the server. In order to open the window, we need to right-click on Server Connections in Project Manager and click Add. In the new window, configure the connection to the Limon server by entering the server address, port number, login, and password for the user. After configuring the access, click Red Project, select one of them and click OK. After selection, the range of the project appears. It can be switched on and off in the global display options. It's located under the heading Show Server box. In order to download the data from the server, the user must select Define Download Range. The user can then select the fragment of the project he needs from the selected section. There is no need to load the whole project. It would take much more time. After selecting a fragment, confirm the selection by clicking Yes. After defining the range, the data is downloaded and appears in the view. In the Project Manager, however, it's not under the point cloud, but under Server Downloads. It's worth remembering that download speed depends on connection speed with the server and the chosen detail level.